my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharifa. I know we are in the month of Ramadan and my Muslim viewers are fasting. However, you can maintain a natural look while holding on your fast. So today I'm going to give you that radiant look that you can put on while fasting. So let me show you how. So I did my eyebrows off camera, but now I'm going to apply concealer on our eyelids, and I'm going to use the same concealer that I used. And today I used LA Girl Pro Concealer. So mm, mm. Tap it on your eyelids and tap 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 until it blends well. Just make sure that you have that smooth texture. So we are going to try to create a natural look. Next palette eyeshadow, and I'm going in for this kind of shade. I'm going to be tapping. Don't use a lot of force, just be gentle. Then start blending in a circular motion. Don't put a lot of product onto your brush. Just put little, then you go on adding. Our target is to create a natural look. After, just we are going to add some small shimmer, and I think we should go in for this. Yeah. Do is we are going to apply eyeliner. Eyeliner. Thing is to apply our conceal on our lower lash line, and I always do this off camera. Applying my conceal. So the result is I don't want to scare you guys with my big eye, like doing that looks so weird. So next thing is to clean our face. Then apply primer, and I always use uh, the Power Professional Primer. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to apply eyeshadow, and I'm using Maybelline in my shade Cappuccino. Maybelline is full coverage. I've always been saying this. So tap. Maybelline is so good. Like, you've seen the amount that I've used, just small, but now just look at my face. You don't need to use too much of it. So next thing is we are going to apply our concealer, and we are going to use the same concealer that we used to clean our eyebrows, and I'm always using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade yellow corrector. So since we want to create a natural look, we are not going to go overboard. So after, just do this right away, blend right away. Our concealer, now we are going to bake the areas that we've concealed, and I'm using LA Girl Pro Setting Powder. Quarantine is also taking me. So after applying your powder, you can leave it like for some few minutes to set. Then we can be working on our nose. We are going to contour our nose today. Foundation. Then blend it in. Then we are going to get our brush to clean off the excess powder. And always make sure that whenever you use your brushes, you clean them. This Glazze contour palette, and I'm going in for this shade. I don't know you guys if you're enjoying every bit step as I am enjoying it. I love this coat because it has some good natural lighting. So now the next thing is we are going to set our powder, and I always use USHAS setting spray. Makeup, now we are going to brush off, and I'm using Febble Blusher, and I'm going in for this shade, for this one. And the next thing is that we are going to highlight, and I'm going to use HudaBeauty highlighter, and I'm going in for this shade. And we are also going to highlight our nose, and I'm using this kind of brush, pointed brush from ABODY. If you've been wondering the brushes that I use, actually all the brushes that I use the branded. I use MAANGE for eyeshadow, and I use ABODY for application on my face. I love maintaining natural look. Our lipstick, and I'm going to first highlight my top lip, and I'm using Everbeauty waterproof lip gloss. as much as I did. Thank you for watching. Thank you for keeping it with me, your girl. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Until next time in my next video.